y'all, it's Koala bringing you quality cruise content, and I actually had a friend recently sail on Disney's newest ship, the Disney Treasure, so I wanted to take you along to see what a deluxe Oceanview stateroom with veranda looks like. This is cabin 6166. Now, as you can see, we have a bit of space. This room sleeps 3 to 4 people. It's about 243 square foot, and of course, we do see that balcony right here. It's gonna have a queen bed as well as a single sleeper sofa, and you're also gonna have a pull-down bed from the upper berth. And with this room, we're gonna find the bathroom as well as the actual toilet room too. I do like how Disney separates this. So it's actually really helpful if you're sailing with multiple people, so you can kind of split up who's doing what and you're not all in each other's space. We do have a safe in the closet and quite a bit of space in the closet itself as well. And we do have a TV across from the bed. I actually really think that this is a very modern room. Nothing super crazy, but I think it's done well. I know this video is shorter, but I do have to give a shout out to my best friend who recorded this for me, so thank you so much for that. Hope that this gave you a little bit of an idea of what this cabin looks like, and I love helping people book cruises, so if you're ever interested in booking a cruise, you can head down to the description where I have my website, thelifeofacruiser.com, and you can fill out the info to book your next cruise. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and informative, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bon voyage!